My name's Daniel. I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites you to the Freedom Factory. And this is my V8 go-kart. Welcome back, everybody. As you can see, we're missing a little something back here. We're working on moving this axle backwards. That way we have better weight distribution. Last time we kind of got an idea where we're going to put it. We got some stuff cut out, some metal, and we were waiting on parts. Those parts have come in. Let me show you real quick what we got. So we got our bearing kit. It came with these mounts. The mounts to put the bearings in and these bearings. I did also get that 90-degree hose for the radiator, so look how tight that is. We should be able to make the radiator hose work. The only problem is the pieces I cut out yesterday, I don't think they're gonna work. We'd have to weld them together and then cut this big hole in the middle. The good news is these mounts fit the old bearings that are just 2 bolts. So we have a nice template to use, but it's not gonna work easily with these. I could make it work, but I think it's gonna be smarter to use these plates, hole saw the hole, and then make the holes for the bearings. I think that's gonna be the smartest thing to do. And maybe what we'll do is maybe we'll add this top hole so we can upgrade to a 3-hole bearing like we're putting on the outside down the road if we need to. So I clamped the plate in here on top of the other plate to help center it. And then I have this hole saw to cut the big hole. It's a little bit loose, so we'll have to sneak up on it. I had to take the drill bit out of it because this hole isn't right where we need it. So we'll have to cut it out this way. It's not gonna be perfect. It might be off that way. And then we'll sneak back in with the carbide bit and we'll get it to the right size. So let's start drilling that and see where we get. We got a hole. That was one of the worst drilling experiences ever. I was getting destroyed by mosquitoes. That's why my socks are usually pulled up, because I'm getting killed by mosquitoes out here. The drill is like turning on and off randomly. I don't know if it's overloading it. I never really had that before, so I don't know if the drill's dying. That would be bad. And then it kept like just getting caught because it didn't have the bit in there or anything. So if it got a little bit sideways, it would catch and try and break my wrist and all that stuff. So we got it done though. I think it's pretty close. We might have to wallow it out a little bit with the carbide bit, but we're gonna go ahead and drill the 3 holes for the mounting surface, or where the bearing mounts, next before we mess around with that, and then we'll go back and open it up to fit. I think my drill died. It's not drilling holes anymore. So we're gonna use this $5 Ryobi one. The only downside is the chuck on it is small. I did have one of these when I first started doing stuff, and it lasted for a long time and it took a lot of abuse. It got left out in the rain a bunch of times and it just kept going and going and going. So this one will work really good, I think. It just doesn't have a clutch or anything like that. It breaks your wrist. So it'll get the job done as long as it'll fit in that chuck. It's a smaller chuck. All right, we got it done. I just got to pop it out and take the grinder to it a little bit, but that should work. Now we just got to make one more. Ugh. I got another one cut out, yay. I'm gonna assemble these with the bearings. I'm gonna bolt them on there, slide them over the axle, and then we'll start welding stuff. So I was about to bolt these things in here, put them on the axle to make sure it worked, and then I just kind of realized these things move around in here. Like you can pivot them and stuff. So I think it doesn't really matter. And I think we're gonna be fine. So I'm gonna tack them in to the angle iron, and then I won't final weld them. I'll sit them over the axle, just make sure they're gonna work. but I think there's so much adjustment in them, I don't think I'm gonna have any issues at all. All right, I just threw some tacks on it. I'm gonna make sure the bearings fit and everything. I'm gonna put the bearings in and slide it on the shaft just to make sure it's gonna fit and it's not binding. And if that's good, I'm gonna take the bearings out again and then I'll weld everything up. So that'll be welded up solid, and then we can make another one for the other side. All right, so it's slid on there just fine. So it's gonna work out perfect. I'm gonna finish weld everything, and then I'm also gonna put this on top like that. And then our support will weld to this, and this will also tie in this outer mount, so it's super strong. So it'll work really well to make this axle a lot stronger. All right, this one is fully welded. And then this guy is tacked in, so I'm gonna test fit him and then fully weld it, and then I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, I got both bearing holders burned in. Probably a little overkill, but maybe not. Maybe there is no such thing as overkill with this thing. It's already overkill. And that's all the time I have for tonight. I've got to clean up and get the car back in here. But don't you worry, I'll be back here tomorrow. I'm making a video every single day, trying to grow the channel. I'm busting my butt out here. So tomorrow we're gonna hop back on this thing and get some more stuff done. Maybe the axle will at least be tacked in there with these mounts, hopefully. And we can start working on the supports and some other things. I want to run that bar underneath. So there's a lot more to do as far as moving this axle back. Overall, it's going to strengthen everything up and make this thing work a lot better. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. Everybody that's coming back every day, you guys are the best. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for making this project possible. Keep it up. Tell your friends. If you're not subscribed, subscribe right now. Please, please do it. I'm making a video every day on this thing until it's done and until Cleetus invites you to the Freedom Factory. So tune in. I'll see you guys tomorrow because I make a video every single day.